I'm getting gassed in the rave, getting gassed in the rave, getting gassed in the rave. I look flash in my shades and my swag's out of space. I'm gassed in the rave, my swag.
Hey YouTube, I've got next unboxing ready for you lot, and it's my fan controller. So this is the first ever NZXT fan controller. I got this because I want under a budget, and I just needed to control a couple of fans, like 2, 3 or 4. And I found this quite cheap, next day delivery, which I wanted for free from Amazon. Thank you, Amazon. So yeah, let's just get inside it already and check out the box quickly. So this is the blue version, I think. I like this one because it forget it, I'm not explaining it. It says 2 fan controller support and 3 temperature support, which I'm actually temperature sensors, which I'm actually going to stick 1 near my CPU, 1 on one of my hard drives, and maybe 1 on the other hard drive or DVD drive. Not necessarily my graphics card, but I don't know, maybe, just maybe. At the top, NZXT, bottom, NZXT, Century 1 LCD meter, left hand side, okay, basically on the right hand side and on the left hand side it's exactly the same thing. That's kind of a bit dull, but anyways, let's go over what it says. It says, designed to monitor high-end systems, this LCD controls monitor temperatures and controls the fan to computer's chassis. In addition, the users can manually adjust the speed to fit their cooling setup, custom cooling setup. So if it's not cool enough, you can cool it more. It just says construction is aluminium. The features 3 temperature displays, 2 fan controller support, time alarm. So if you set alarm, so let's just say we set alarm, if it goes over 65 degrees Celsius and it just reaches 67, your alarm will go off, warning you that you've gone over. Hard drive activity display, so I don't need to stick this on my hard drive because it's only going to show you what my hard drive's up to, and it just shows you what colors you can get: blue, black, silver, orange. Nowadays it's just default blue, I think, because it's kind of old. Alright, so let's just cut inside it with the knife slowly, so you obviously don't damage the packaging. Lift up the lid and that's it. Move the flap so it doesn't come in the way. Here I believe this is a user guide, instruction manual thing. Shows you like how to set it up, like what you get inside. You get 3 pins and blah blah blah, don't really care. Let's just get into the device. Alright, here are some screws and temperature stickers. I don't know what to call them. They basically like, I don't know, tape. The tape, yeah, let's go with tape, because like your temperature sensor, if you're going to put it in a place, you have to cover it with tape so it doesn't move out of the way. And screws, obviously, to screw it in, and it will go into your 5¼ inch place on your case. Let's just take it out the bubble wrap. Cheap ass bubble wrap. Alright, let's just look at what cables it comes with. Yeah, that doesn't sound too good. It's kind of dusty. I can feel dust in my hand, even on the box, so I don't know how long this has been in the Amazon store thing. Forget it. Alright, so I don't know how to take out the cables. Alright, let's take it out somehow. It's actually got a cable tire thing there. You know what, let's go this way. So slowly, obviously, take it out. And this has actually got a battery, I don't know why. Alright, I would untie it, but I'm going to tie it when I'm building the computer. So here are your temperature probes, I think that's what it's called, and you're going to stick it on. If it's starting to come out, you just use the stickers, like tape. Alright, and it tells you actually where to stick it in, so you don't really have a choice. One goes on your hard drive, one goes on your graphics card, that's what SYS stands for, and one goes next to your CPU. Then you have the pins for your fan. So let's just quickly take a look. You've got a Molex connector, another Molex connector, male and female. Let's see, I don't know, this is going to be quite hard. You got, this goes into SYS as well, don't know what that means. This has got fan, so first fan, TOMB, don't know what that means. I think that's CPU fan. Yeah, CPU fan. So if you want to control your CPU fan as well, you can do that. If you don't want to plug it straight to your motherboard, you got a hard drive LED there. I think that plugs into your motherboard. Another SYS fan 2, or if you want to call it. Wait, where's the temperature probe gone that said SYS? Maybe it says it on the back. Let's see. This temperature probe. This temperature probe says CPU. Other temperature probe SYS. SYS, so it doesn't really say it. Yeah, it's kind of confusing. And you got a battery there for indicator. Okay, let's just look at the front already. Here you got some plastic covering. It's not touch like the newer one, NZXT LXE, which is the desktop one which stays on your desk, NZXT LX and NZXT Century LX2. This is Century LX1. Okay, you got a mode button. Click it 3 times, everything comes up. Mode, you got alarm, and you got Fahrenheit or Celsius, and you got your speed. You know what, I'm just gonna read the manual as well. Like I said, I'm not gonna need it, but I'm thinking I'm gonna need it now because I really have no idea what the fuck half of it is. And it actually tells you at the bottom here where to stick it onto your CPU. So if you have a Pentium or a AMD, it'll show you where to stick it on, so you don't get muddled up. That's the problem now, because this is old. This was out in Pentium times, and I've got Core i5, so I don't know what the hell I'm gonna do there. So I'm gonna read it, find out, and that's it basically. So this has been my unboxing for the NZXT fan controller Century 1. And basically that's it. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Peace out.